In recent months, the President of the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, Felix Tshisekedi, has sought stronger trade relations with the United States, USA, particularly in the mining sector. He urged the U.S. to purchase raw materials directly from the DRC rather than through Rwanda, which he accuses of illegally exploiting and trading Congola's minerals. .com.tr. In February 2025, Tshisekedi wrote to President Donald Trump, requesting support in combating the M23 rebel group, which has destabilized eastern Congo. He proposed giving the U.S. exclusive access to key minerals such as cobalt, lithium, copper, and tantalum in exchange for security and political support. WSJ.com. However, this proposal has sparked debates and concerns. M23 leader Colonel Nangaa declared that U.S. negotiations and international sanctions would not halt their military operations, insisting that Congo's problems require internal solutions rather than foreign intervention.